Welcome back guys to Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to show you the strategy how you can increase your deposit from 10k to 1 million only with one indicator. Let's jump in. It's very easy to trade on the bull market when you jump in a random coin and it just skyrockets, you take profit and tell everybody you're a crypto guru. But just to be honest, 90% of traders lose their money. You will never see the story of failures from traders because everybody just show the green results. Everybody just talk about DCA strategy, just hodl and wait. Why DCA strategy doesn't work well? Because for example, we can take Solana. Somebody buying Solana at 200 and falling FOMO with all crowd, then buying at 150, then buying at 100, at 50, at 25, and now Solana was $10. So in this case, your average price for fundamental coin like Solana now around 60. Also for people who just buy and hold. Look, somebody buying Bitcoin at the beginning of 2021 and now they at the same price. So you just twice lose opportunity to make money. This is not a scalping strategy or intraday strategy. Therefore, you can make 5-7 trades in a year, but increase your deposit and save your initial deposit. This strategy works perfectly on any single coin. And also it works on a bear market because a lot of people just sit and wait in the bear market. But instead of this, we can trade and increase our deposit with less risk on bear market. Let's go to the chart and let's imagine that we have an initial deposit of $10,000 and we will use compound interest when we always invest the entire amount and the sell an entire amount. Let's take a EOS USDT pair for example. On TradingView, you can use the reply bar and choose any single time period on the chart, on a history on some coin and double check with backtest how this indicator works. So here's our initial deposit and let's start with 2 years ago, exactly at December 5, 2020. So if we jump in EOS and we don't know where the price goes, we can use only one indicator, Crypto4Life Take Profit. This indicator have 4 options here. Last one, green line, it's a fundamental price. Second one, it's a buy line, take profit line, and exit line. Every single time when we touch the buy line or the fundamental price or drop under fundamental price, we can buy no matter what the price will be and sell according to our strategy at take profit line and exit line. And also I will count how many trades we will make during all this 2 years period with this mark check. So according to our plan, we just jump in crypto at this current price because we don't know are we going down or up. So we just bought here at $2.85. We just bought EOS for 10k. Let's take a look how it goes. Like you can see, we didn't touch the buy line. Stop. And we got first take profit. So we count, so here our entry point, and we got 37% profit. And now we got 13,700. Now we wait at the buy line or fundamental price. So here's an example how we can not multiply our deposit because a lot of people make more money, but we didn't touch the buy line. That's why we don't jump in here in the middle. We just wait exact our targets. And here I will add our trade. And yes, like you can see, we lose now 86% potential profit. But trust me, I will explain you why it's okay because we have to follow our strategy. And yes, the price skyrocket. So you can't fall in FOMO because you sell it here, for example, and you lose 285%. But it's okay because you save your initial deposit. And let's take a look what's going on next. And just imagine, some people who don't follow the strategy, they jump in at EOS at $8, at $10, at $15. And even they use the DCA strategy, now the average price is around 9 and the price dropped to $4. So sometimes better just to follow your own strategy, just with your own rules. Because if you just fall in FOMO, fall in emotion, you can just jump in some random price without entry point and stick in this price for a long time period. And we wait long time period and buying now EOS with all this initial deposit around $4.50, for example. Let's go. Yes, like you can see, we can drop lower to fundamental price and bounce. Now we wait the take profit line. We touch buy line once again, trade it here, drop it under fundamental price once again. Yes, but we wait. Yes, now we are potential losses, but we wait. And yes, we hit our target here in September, $6.38. So we can count our average price, it's plus 41%, almost 20K, 19K and 300. And just imagine, the people who bought it here, still in losses. That's why the better to save your initial deposit than just jump in and try and increase it and multiply it every single time. But even in the bear market, we can still make money and increase our deposit, save our initial deposit, while another traders are just loot them. And we got a new touch on a daily time frame. Here, average price will be around $2.50 once again. Stop. We hit our target take profit line. So here, our average price $2.50. We got 28% profit. Plus 28% profit. Now we got 24K700. So here's a March 2022. Nobody knows the future. It's just a simulation of market. We got a touch of buy line and the fundamental price. So here's average price. We can use around $1.40. So here's the first touch, second touch. So you can add your price target around $1.40. Yes, like you can see, we drop lower to 88 cents, but we wait our target. And we reach over the exit line, $1.82. So it's not a big profit, it's 38%. Plus 38%. And now we get 34K and 100. Crash touch. We got a touch around 93 cents. So we're buying here. We collapse with FTX here. The December 5, we increase our deposit from 10K to 34K. We save our initial deposit and now we can multiply, just follow this strategy. So next time when we, for example, bounce from this price to take profit line, it can be around 65%. 65%. So after next trade, you can get 56K. This 56K you can multiply to 50% and then multiply, and just with one single indicator, with one simple rules, you can increase your deposit without almost zero risk with one simple strategy from 10K to 1 million. And while these 2 years, you just can make only 9 trades, buy, sell, and only with this one indicator, one strategy, you can increase your deposit and multiply your deposit while it's a bear market or the bull run. And imagine, nobody will tell you, so they jump into EOS at $5 or at $10. And they just wait or have to cut their losses. You can find out CryptoFlight take profit indicator inside the indicator set in pinned comment. This indicator from my indicator set works even on a free TradingView accounts, and you can double check how it works on another different altcoins. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you want to trade with my custom indicator set, included take profit indicator, just write me DM only for $1 per day. Just hold set. Like you can see, this strategy can save you a lot of time, a lot of nerves, and increase your deposit and save your initial deposit, even it's a bear market or a bull run. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.